In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to take a part of the video that you are editing and move it to another part of your video. This is using the Inshot editor app. Be sure to have the latest update and let's get started. So let's just say I want to take this part here to this part here. I want to take this little part here and then move it to another part of the video, okay? And for demonstration purposes, I'll be using one of the materials videos, and you'll just be doing that with your own video. So the first thing you need to do is separate that part that you want to move. And in order to do this here, you'll place the white bar here on the starting part of where you want to remove. Then you press the split, and you have your first split here. Then you're going to move the white bar, this here, to the end point of what you want to remove and then move it to another part. When you place that part there, you'll press the split, and that's now going to create yourself a separate piece of video. So notice when I select it, it shows me this here, okay? And you want to now go to the part of the video that you want this piece here to be inserted. So I'm going to go now, and maybe I want it to be here, right there, okay, where this line is. So I'll press on the split option here and just tap away here, and you'll notice you have a split here, okay? Now the next thing you're going to do is go back to the part that you have separated with the two splits and long press it. So go ahead now and long press that. All right, this is going to happen now, and you're going to take the part that you have separated, which is this one right here, and just simply slide it to the part that you want it to be inserted in. So it's between here, that's where the other split is, or the third split you created. And then you let it go and you just tap on it one time, and then now you'll have the part of the video that you moved inserted into it, okay? And that's how it works, okay? So this isn't exactly the video that I wanted to use, but it's just to show you how it works, okay? Or how to go about doing that, okay? So like and sub.